Okay, righto, good morning. What I have here this morning is a fire starter kit. Some of the survival tools. The name is a Cocklins or something. It's like a string with a plate and some sort of metal. I bought it like many moons ago, but I also always want to make fire. You see fires on YouTube and the TV. Okay, quickly, what I have here is like a piece of steel wool, and I somewhat cut a piece of this kitchen towel. But I think the best way to start maybe is get some steel wool and let the sparks fall on here. I'm gonna put it here, and then I'm gonna cut some of this pieces of paper. Gonna put it there so that it can catch fire, and then we can see what we can do here. Let's just put this all here. But this thing, I don't know how this thing works. I think we're gonna start it now. Either it doesn't want to make a spark when you do this. If you see this type of thing, I'm gonna focus now. Put the focus closely, then we're gonna see what happens. Then you can see better. Okay, now that the focus is quicker, you can see if you do this, it doesn't want to just escape it, but I think you have to do like this. Can you believe it? There's fire. So quick. Actually worked well. Okay, let's start. So steel wool obviously works very good. So let's just try some paper first. So that is a very surprise to see it start so quickly. If you take some paper, if you don't have steel wool obviously in the bush, take this thing, so this is going to take a little bit longer. See, there's it, there it starts, there's the fire. Well, this thing works so nice. Sure. It's a special type of metal, obviously. Okay, let's just kill these things. And see, again, see this thing has a little serrated edge. I don't know if you... What you can also do, you put a piece of paper, and then you scrape some of the stuff on here. I think this is what they do from this metal. There's sort of this is a residue there. Then you need to light it. It's like aluminium. Look there. That's interesting. Let's put some somewhere here on the piece of on my table. You use this to scrape this. Now you go and you just put that spark on there. This is nice. Oh well. I also said I'm gonna, as I want to make fire, they can just maybe make this little string a little bit longer, but that's nice. Yo, metal is a special type of metal to start a fire. Cocklins. Okay, this is it. Now I also can say I start a fire myself with this type of thing, and hope you enjoy this video. Till next time, cheers.